There are multiple factors that contribute to the success of dental implants, the most important one being the skill of the surgeon placing it. One of the things that very few people talk about or take into account when placing implants is restoring them to the correct bite. Treating bite together with placing implants will help those implants last longer. For many years, the standard of dental industry was, if you lose teeth, you get removable dentures. When you are able to restore your smile with dental implants that don't need to be coming in and out of your mouth, that will restore not only the way your teeth look and your smile looks, that will also make your face look 15 to 20 years younger. It's most important, like with any medical procedure, that the person who's doing the procedure knows well how to handle anything that may come within the scope of placing the implant. One of the biggest don'ts that I can think about is patients think that dental implants are not for them. They either have this picture that it's some luxury treatment that is only for some people, or they've been told that they cannot have dental implants done. With the technology these days, with the skills of the surgeon these days, with the materials that we have, 99% of cases we can restore with implants what was not possible before. The life change that I can bring to these people is worth every moment of hard work in the operatory.